Where are you from?
Um, what did you say?
I said, where are you from?
The United States. I was born in Tennessee.
Okay, I like your accent, your country accent. You are a
Thank you.
native English speaker.
Mm-hmm.
I'm learning English, that's why it's very helpful for me if you conversation with me.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can I ask you some question about you?
Yes, of course.
How old are you?
I want to keep that just between me.
Just 20. Do you guess how old I am?
I don't know.
You can guess it if you want. What do you think?
In your 20s?
No. I'm not 20s.
Oh.
I'm older than.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm 28.
Oh.
But I don't look like 28.
No, that's not what I mean.
Yeah. What time is it now in your country?
9:32.
Evening time?
Morning.
Oh, morning. And in my country, evening time, 8:32. You are a student?
Yes.
Which class do you study now?
I'm in college. I'm studying for a doctor.
Okay. In future, which profession you would choose?
I'm not really for sure which one, but I choose.
You don't have any ambition.
I just don't have.
Can I see you if you don't mind?
Maybe. Well, I'm gonna try this app for a couple of days, and then I'll let people see me. It's just today, just seeing if I like the app. What? But I have to leave the live because I have to go do something. So.
Okay, sure. We meet in later if you follow back. You did it?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too.